Are you ready to enroll your child at BK Nursery? Now is the time to enroll your kids at BK Nursery. Because at BK Nursery we aim to create a well-rounded individual. We organize activities where leadership, discipline, intellectual and emotional growth are inculcated. We give our children the opportunity to express their individual talents. At our nursery all staff are highly trained. In here we ensure the safety and health of each. We used British base to our children, focusing them to learn through playing. A Montessori approach, working with children. Guided by our qualified directresses. Come and see for yourself our exciting activities. At BK Nursery we teach our children how to be creative. Developing their confidence through swimming. Giving them the best educational tour. Take the fun outdoors. With our backyard planting learning play. Looking for a special way to celebrate your child's birthday? Our nursery has a unique range of children's entertainment and party ideas. Learn with our charming, cheerful and colorful friendly sports gym playroom to excite your kids. I'm sure we can all agree that getting your child to learn an instrument has benefits. Music make great kids. Baking is fun. Special memories are just waiting to be made with your children. Let your kids learn some useful skills. Our nursery always pray with kids to help them learn the importance and habit of prayer. At BK Nursery, we give your little ones the right start for a brighter future. Membership provided by International Montessori Council. Our nursery received an award from Dubai government, awarded as the first place among the nursery school in Dubai. BK Nursery delivers high-quality care. A comfortable place like your home. A nurturing and inspiring environment. We will give you the premium education for your child. What are you waiting for? Enroll now. Located at Dubai, United Arab Emirates. Call us now. Email us and visit our website for more information.